Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the second chapter, Ideas of Development. When we talk about ideas of development, we think of our society development and our country's development. In this chapter, we will focus more different peoples having different goals and what are their aspirations and goals. Let us take two examples of landless laborers and prosperous farmers. Who are called landless laborers? Landless laborers are the laborers who do not have lands and working in the owner's land are called landless laborers, and who are called prosperous farmers. Prosperous farmers are the farmers who are having more than 5 acres of lands and having more family income and good facilities are called prosperous farmers. So now let us see the aspiration of the landless laborers. Landless laborers' aspiration is completely different from the prosperous farmers. Landless laborers always want to educate their children in the local schools where the children can grow well, can have the quality of educations, and the children can be a leader of the village. Whereas the prosperous farmers' desires and aspiration is very big. They always want high income. They always want their children to be educated in abroad. So, by taking two comparisons, we found that they are having different goals and different aspirations. Now we'll see whose development. A big controversy occurred in Tamil Nadu between the central government. Our central government wanted to set up a nuclear Kundakulam nuclear power project in Tirunelveli districts, Tamil Nadu, to generate the nuclear power because it was the need of growing energy in our country. But the people of local area who strongly disagreed and protested on the ground of safety and their livelihood. Even all the scientists, social workers and environmentalists also stood by them and strongly supported them. At the end, the central government uh, made ensure that they wanted to provide on the ground of security and best livelihood. Then finally they decided to agree and they set up a nuclear power project in Tamil Nadu. Now we will see income and other goals. Everyone needs income and other goals. It is you and I also want better income and better goals. So the what people desire is daily work and better wages. Now, in other words, they also seek they also seek equal treatment, freedoms, security, and respect from them. If they don't have respect, if they don't have a proper manner or proper treatment and security, the life is completely meaningless. Thirdly, I will take an example that if you get a job nearby place where where you have a good facility for your families and they pay you less salary and the environment is very good, but they pay you less salary and they give you a regular work and permanent job. That shows the sense of security and freedoms. Second example, you got a job very far from your place, you saw the atmosphere is not good, and there's no time to spend your family, and there's no treatment, equal treatment. There is no any respect from others. That that shows the that shows no sense of security and equal treatments. So by taking up this income in other girls, we have better income, but our goals are completely different. So everyone need income and everyone need better goals.